Since its inception in 1971, the NDC had engineered the framework and conditions that were required to attract and retain some of the island's most successful businesses. Some of these businesses added tremendous economic and social value to the country. As the tourism industry began to grow in the late 1980s, attention was given to the needs of investors in that sector. In 1996, the government improved the tourism incentive regime, targeted at both local and foreign investors. Its main purpose was to stimulate the expansion of the tourism industry and overcome development constraints in St. Lucia. In the early 2000s, in light of the improved economic performance of the tourism sector and the need to maintain the current rates of tourism growth, it had been recognized that St. Lucia's hotel plant and leisure facilities had to be maintained and expanded. Hence, the government of St. Lucia identified this sector as a priority area for investment and development. The island started to see more acquisition of existing hotels and the construction of new hotels and leisure facilities by foreign companies, coupled with the joint venture partnerships with local persons who own property. Despite these additional rooms, we continue to experience severe constraints in accommodation capacity to meet the existing and future demand as St. Lucia developed as a tourist destination. With an expanding industry at that time, the government of St. Lucia targeted the following areas for investment: accommodation, including hotel development and ecotourism accommodation; ancillary services such as entertainment facilities, including theme parks, bars, and specialty restaurants; visual and performing arts center, and golf courses; new niche markets like yachting, sports and dive tourism, meeting, incentive, and conference group facilities, heritage and ecotourism facilities. The National Development Corporation, now Invest Saint Lucia, assisted and facilitated hotels and tourism businesses like Sugar Beach, a Viceroy Resort; Sandals Resorts International; Capella at Marigo Bay; Blue Diamond Hotels and Resorts; JetBlue; Air Canada; Dive St. Lucia; Hotel Chocolat; Harbor Club; Windjammer Landing Resort and Spa; Jade Mountain and Chasney; Coconut Bay; Calabash Cove; Bay Gardens Hotel, and Trolley Train. Despite the pandemic in 2020, investors remain interested in St. Lucia. Today, tourism is the largest sector, and St. Lucia continues to be a sought-after location for tourism investment. Invest Saint Lucia facilitates hotel development projects from beginning to end, and in the future, we hope to welcome Courtyard by Marriott, Grand Hyatt, Dreams, Zoe Tree, and Cabot St. Lucia to our shores.